Google Sheets is a great tool to maintain efficiency and organization. For the purpose of this demo slam, I will just focus on the features of my templates. First up, my rubrics. I started to issue digital rubrics to save paper, and I push them out as an assignment via Google Classroom. The rubric is formulated to highlight specific cells depending on the grade. Although this is currently using percentages, I can easily modify the formulas to align with elementary letter grades. Let's say you have a multiple choice test with a total of 15 questions. Before assigning this in Google Classroom, you would enter the denominator of 15 into this cell. Now, the student received 11 questions correct on the test. So you would simply type in 11 into this cell, your percentage would be calculated, and the corresponding cell would be highlighted. Now, not all assignments are out of a denominator, so as you can see here, I have grayed out the percentage boxes, and I will simply manually type in their grade into this box, and the row will get highlighted accordingly. Next, my comment bank. When writing report cards, I go into Edsembly and create my comment bank based off of 4 select expectations. I will then look at the student's highest mark and their lowest mark within those 4 expectations and create their comments based off of that information. So, let's say the student was very good at textual evidence. They got a level 3. I know the order of these. This is a level 3 comment. I will select it. Then, they didn't do very good with themes. They got a 50%, so I will choose this comment. Overall, the comment is created. I would take this and paste it into Edsembly. Next, I also use Google Sheets as student work documents, and I've integrated my rubrics into the bottom of these sheets. Next, I use them for my unit plan and lesson plan. I can type in my learning skills and expectations here, then they will magically appear in my lesson plan. Google Sheets for the win!